Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the OM system OM-5 Mark II, a revolutionary camera that's setting new standards for both photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring creator, the OM-5 Mark II promises to deliver exceptional results with its blend of powerful technology and user-friendly features. Let's take a closer look at what makes this mirrorless camera a game-changer. The OM-5 Mark II is more than just an update, it's a fresh approach to capturing high-quality images and videos. Packed with impressive features, it's built to meet the needs of modern photographers and filmmakers. From the powerful image sensor to the advanced autofocus system, this camera makes it easier than ever to capture stunning visuals in various environments. Let's break down its key attributes. Powerful sensor and image processing at the heart of the OM-5. Mark II lies a 20.4 megapixel live MOS sensor, a robust component that delivers incredible image clarity and detail. But what truly sets this camera apart is the combination of this sensor with the TruePic 9 processor. This advanced processor works behind the scenes to improve the overall image quality by reducing noise, enhancing color accuracy, and boosting performance. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or serene landscapes, the OM-5 Mark II ensures every shot is crisp and vibrant. Advanced image stabilization. One of the standout features of the OM-5 Mark II is its cutting-edge in-body image stabilization system. This feature is crucial for photographers and videographers who want smooth, blur-free shots. With up to 6.5 stops of stabilization and 7.5 stops when paired with compatible lenses, you can say goodbye to shaky footage, even when you're on the move. This makes it an ideal choice for creators who need stable shots for travel documentaries or action-packed videos, where portability and steady performance are essential. AI-powered autofocus for precision, the OM-5 Mark II, introduces a 121-point hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection for fast and precise focus acquisition. What's even more impressive is the AI-driven enhancements that make focusing more intuitive. Whether you're shooting portraits, fast-moving subjects, or low-light scenes, the autofocus system adjusts seamlessly to deliver sharp, accurate focus. The face and eye detection feature takes portrait photography to the next level, ensuring your subject is always in sharp focus. For astrophotography enthusiasts, the OM-5 Mark II also includes a dedicated starry sky autofocus mode, which allows for quick and accurate focusing on stars and other celestial objects. This makes capturing night skies easier than ever before, even without the need for manual focus adjustments. Handheld high-resolution shooting. Traditionally, capturing ultra-high-resolution images required a tripod for stability. The OM-5 Mark II breaks this barrier with its 50 megapixel handheld high-resolution mode. Using sensor shift technology, the camera captures multiple images in quick succession and combines them to create one detailed high-res shot. This feature is perfect for photographers on the go, especially those who prefer to avoid the bulk of a tripod while still needing incredible detail in their images. Hikers, travelers, and street photographers will find this feature particularly useful, as it allows for easy handheld high-res photography wherever their journey takes them. Robust 4K video capabilities. While the OM-5 Mark II excels in still photography, its video capabilities are just as impressive. The camera offers 4K UHD video recording at up to 30 frames per second, delivering sharp and detailed footage. One of the standout features is the lack of a recording time limit. Perfect for shooting long-form content such as interviews, documentaries, or continuous event coverage. Additionally, the camera supports OM Log 400, providing greater flexibility in post-production for those who want to color grade their footage to achieve a professional, cinematic look. For vloggers and content creators, the OM-5 Mark II offers a compact and portable solution with high-quality video recording. It's ready to handle everything from casual video blogs to serious filmmaking projects. Rugged and weather-resistant design built for adventure, the OM-5 Mark II is designed to withstand the elements. With an IP53 rating, it's both dust-proof and splash-resistant, making it the perfect companion for outdoor photographers who need a durable camera that can handle a range of environmental conditions. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, capturing action by the beach, or shooting in unpredictable weather, The OM-5 Mark II is built to keep up with your active lifestyle. Despite its ruggedness, the camera is lightweight and compact, ensuring that it won't weigh you down during long shoots or travel. Its design strikes a perfect balance between durability and portability, ensuring that it's just as comfortable in your gear bag as it is in your hands. Expanded creative features. The OM-5 Mark II isn't just about raw power. It also offers a range of creative features that allow you to experiment with different styles. It includes live composite and live bulb modes, ideal for capturing long exposures, light trails, and other creative effects with real-time previews. These modes are especially useful for photographers working in challenging lighting conditions, such as low light or nighttime shoots. Additionally, the camera features a variety of built-in art filters and creative modes, which allow you to achieve unique looks directly in camera without needing to rely on post-processing. For macro photographers, focus bracketing and stacking options are available, ensuring sharpness across the entire frame, no matter the subject size. Connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, make it easy to share your images and videos on the go or control the camera remotely using the OM Image Share app. Plus, USB charging and power delivery features ensure that you can keep shooting even when on the move, making the OM-5 Mark II a true workhorse for creators in the field. Who will benefit from the OM-5 Mark II? The OM-5 Mark II is designed to be versatile, catering to a wide range of creators. Here's a quick breakdown of who will get the most out of this camera. Travel photographers. Its compact design and rugged durability make it perfect for capturing stunning travel shots without the bulk of larger cameras. Wildlife and nature enthusiasts. The fast autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting make it ideal for capturing animals in motion. Portrait photographers. With its advanced face and eye detection, the OM-5 Mark II ensures beautiful, focused portraits every time. Vloggers and filmmakers. 4K video, exceptional stabilization, and unlimited recording time provide all the tools you need for high-quality content creation. Beginners and hobbyists. Intuitive menus, creative modes, and ease of use make it accessible to those just starting their photography or videography journey. Final thoughts. The OM system. OM-5 Mark II strikes a perfect balance between power, portability, and pro-level features. Whether you're an experienced photographer, a budding filmmaker, or an adventurous creator, this camera offers everything you need to capture stunning images and videos in various conditions. Its combination of high-quality sensors, advanced autofocus, image stabilization, and rugged design makes it a standout choice for creators who demand performance and reliability.